I'm back with another simple and absolutely delicious sauce that you can pair with anything. It's super delicious. To start, I'm going to go ahead and prep the pepper. I have tomato, onion, and some green bell pepper. I will add chili pepper to this, give it a good clean, and then I'll go ahead and blend it roughly. In my saucepan, I'll go ahead and add the vegetable oil. You can do the combination of palm oil and vegetable oil, or you can just use ordinary vegetable oil or ordinary palm oil. Once the oil is heated up, I go in with some chopped onion and some locust beans, aka iru. As you guys saw earlier, I show you guys two onion. I use one to blend the pepper, and this is the second one. Once I add the iru and the onion into the oil, I just go ahead and stir it till I can perceive the aroma, just to infuse flavor into the oil. That is what we are doing here. I'm going to be using pomo for this recipe. I just added the pomo into the oil and I'm going to stir it for about a minute or so just to add flavor into the pomo. As you guys know, pomo does not really have any flavor, but this way I'm going to be able to infuse a lot of flavor into the pomo. Once I add the pomo into the oil, I just stir it together for about a minute or so. A minute later, I go in with the roughly blended pepper and I will stir everything together till they are nicely combined. This recipe is pocket friendly. If you are on a budget, this recipe is for you. It's so delicious and it's so simple to put together. Even if you are not on a budget, you can give it a try. You can just go ahead and add any protein of your choice instead of pomo. It will still turn out so delicious. Added some chicken stock as well, and I'm going with salt and seasoning cube. That is only seasoning that I'm going to be using for this recipe. As you guys saw, I make use of locust beans, aka iru, and it's filled with a lot of flavor. So I don't need any other seasoning again. But feel free to add any seasoning of your choice, alright? Another thing that I normally add to this recipe, to this sauce, is crayfish powder, but I didn't have. Once I had all the ingredients, all the seasoning, I stir everything together nicely and I cover it and allow to cook. And as you guys saw, I changed my pot because that saucepan is really small and the sauce is cooking nicely. Now I just come back and give it a quick stir, alright, so it doesn't burn. I'll cover it again and continue to cook. Before the sauce is finally cooked, I decided to add some hard-boiled egg. You can skip that, that is optional. Once I add the egg, I stir it together nicely and continue to cook. All I'm going to be doing is just checking on the sauce, stir it so it doesn't burn, alright? At this point, the sauce is cooked to my liking. I just give it a final good stir and that is it, guys. You can make it to fry more than this, but this consistency is perfect for me. I stir it together nicely once again and I turn off the heat. And that is it, guys. It's so simple and turn out absolutely delicious. You can pair this with yam, with potato, with rice, with pasta. It tasted absolutely delicious. We pair it with some white rice and it's so good. And I hope you guys like the recipe. If you do, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.